Welcome guys to another edition of Knot Monday. This week we're going to look at one of the strongest fishing knots there is, the blood knot. Alright, so a blood knot is a great knot for tying leaders together, tying tippet onto leaders, because it retains the strength of your leader material. So it's one of those knots that doesn't actually weaken the leader, the line that you're using. Now, there are a variety of ways to tie this. I'm gonna show you a way that I like to use where you basically take and you tie two half blood knots to make up your whole blood knot. So we'll start by taking our white line and we're gonna make at least 5 wraps around the green line. Now this is important as this is where a lot of the strength in this knot comes from, is from these wraps. So make sure you get 5 and then bring it back through the center. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the green line. Make sure we come around to our 5 wraps and then bring it back through the center. Pull that tight, you've got your blood knot. Hope this helps you guys out on the water, keeping those leaders and tippets tied together, helping you guys catch more fish. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hit like if you enjoyed this, and remember to subscribe so that you'll be notified about next week's Knot Monday.